Hello. How are you guys doing? Here we are on our 6th day, 9:20 in the morning, September 25th. And we're going to go up Mount Meakan today, which is another active volcano, 1,499 meters above sea level. This volcano rises to the west of Lake Akan, and the summit of the mountain and volcano has some incredible scenery, and we should see kind of a lake in the crater, maybe two lakes in the crater of the volcano. And we're going up through some pretty deep forest, and a chance of bear encounters. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
We're going to do it. We're going to get up there safely.
Let's hope so. Yeah.
All right, let's hope we do. Temperature is 20 degrees. Not humid, is it? Very comfortable. Steep bit of tree roots. There you go. Bit of fun. These tree roots are incredible, aren't they? I've never seen something like this, like a huge network. It just shows you how much the soil's been eroded and naturally what tree roots really look like. They're very tame, aren't they? Look at this. What do you think of this, dude? 10 yen coin shoved in a tree.
Yeah.
What's the point of that? We are soaking in sweat, aren't we?
Yeah, I am.
It's coming out of the forest a bit.
Oh wow. That's amazing.
How much green is that?
Yeah. Forest as far as I can see, isn't it?
Hey, Chu.
Hi.
Hello again. Look at that. Wow. I can see someone up there, white. Starting to smell the sulphur now, right? Must be near getting closer to the crater. How are you feeling?
Hot and sweaty.
Nice. How are you looking? How is it looking?
It's looking pretty good.
The prospect. Let's check it out. Wow. Around 1 kilometer to the top now. Sky has cleared up quite a bit. The terrain has changed a lot now. Look at that. Oh, sugar. Oh, maybe that is the ridge of the crater then. Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, that's good. All right. That's it? Oh wow. Oh, God. You ever seen that before? I've taken my bell off actually. This is just some otherworldly scenery. Unbelievable. Look at the way the ground is broken over there. That must have been an eruption, right? I mean all this, I don't know, this is new land? Yeah. It's just mental. There's not much to do really, is there, apart from slip sliding away. This is a very slippery trail with lots of loose rocks. It says it's only 45 minutes up there. Yeah, I'm not going to go up there. I mean, I do want to really, but yeah. Not the best weather, is it? If we'd have come early in the morning, it would have been okay. Look at the angle of it. What's that, 60% maybe? No, that's crazy. I meant to say like 30%. 40% gradient. So we just met a group of, a professor and a group of and his students who are studying ecology, forest ecology or something. And we're just talking a lot about the nature here and what we've been, where we've been hiking and stuff. It's so nice talking to lots of people. My backpack was open the whole time. Coming down. It's okay. Nothing could have fallen down. Okay. Okay, that works. There's your coffee.
Huh?
There's yours.
Cheers. Oh, wait. Yeah, got it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is really strong. What are you talking about?
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe I got the strongest bit because it's at the bottom here.
Oh, wait. It's alright, I don't mind.
So we've just had a little lunch, coffee and noodles and stuff. We're going back down. I mean, we're going to continue going down. What are the charges? Eating a meal? A succulent Chinese meal? Get your hands off of me! That's what he says. Some textbook, beautiful mushrooms here. Look at this. They're beautiful. So be careful not to trip on these roots. Alright, pretty exciting, isn't it? Slip and fall. Let's try it. Slip and fall. Not a very friendly sign, is it? All right, so how's amazing ice cream, Hokkaido soft serve ice cream. So I left Steve at the campsite because I think it's going to take it's quite a long way back to the car. It's been over 3 kilometers maybe, so I'm basically going to dash there and come back and pick him up. So this is now John walking solo. All right. Unless anything exciting happens, I'll see you back at the car park. Okay. So hot. Woo! Basically running at this point. Oh God. Alright, so I'm back at the car, and that was a very fast 2 kilometers I walked, basically ran. It was quite scary walking through the forest. It was all like closed in. Anyway, I'm going to go and pick up Steve now. So, yeah.